welcome to Castleworks Motorsports. I know it's not Wheel Wednesday, it's actually Thursday, but we are going to talk about wheels today. The backstory on these is this is kind of an oops. These got ordered by a customer of mine back in May. They actually were supposed to be drop shipped to him, but oops, they got shipped to me today. So fortunately he planned way in advance. He doesn't need them right away, so I told him, I talked to him today and said, hey, I'm going to unbox one of these, take a peek at them. So I thought I'd bring you into the shop and let you take a peek at them. These are some 18 by 8 and 19 by 12 Foose Monterys. They're going to go on a really cool build he was doing. It's 55 Chevy Bel Air, Chris Alston chassis, Willwood brakes. It's just a beautiful, beautiful build. But anyway, I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to open these up, unbox them, and let you see what they look like. So let's get one of these unboxed and we'll go from there. All right, guys, we're back. Let's open this guy up. I decided to choose the 19 by 12s. These are the rears. And again, they're the Foose Montery. Going on that beautiful 55 Bel Air. Let's unbox these guys and see. Oh, wow. I can tell already. Do that. And tell you what, we're going to set him right over here. And pull that guy off and unveil these so you can get a better look at them. Man, these are some big wheels. 19 by 12. It's like Foose Monterey. Those things look beautiful. They're going to look fantastic on that 55 Bel Air. One other nice thing to point out, a lot of times on show vehicles, they will put the valve stem on the inside just so that it's not out here. And that, in this case, the customer wanted that, so their valve stem is going to be on the inside there. Just one of those small details that looks so much nicer. So anyway, these are beautiful. I'm not going to bother unboxing the other ones, but I think you've got a real good idea what those look like. I'll tell you what, I'm going to, yeah. He'll stay, hopefully. All right, one more thing. I carry a lot of wheels, everything from Forge Line to American Racing, Motegi Racing. If you're off-roaders, XD, Moto Metal, KMC wheels, hit me up for what you're looking for wheels. For those of you wanting custom wheels, one concern I know a lot of people have is backspacing. What backspacing do I order when doing that? Well, I can help you out there. Ask me about my loaner program. I'm going to get this guy over here. This is a wheel backspacing tool I designed and developed here in the shop. Ask me about the loaner program. You can use this for free. So ask me more details. That's all I got, guys. I just wanted to kind of give you an unboxing on these Foose Monterys and give you a little quick peek. I'm going to get them boxed up and get them shipped out to the customer. That's all I've got for now. If you like what you saw, follow me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Give me a like. Give me a shout if you got any questions. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.